Oh, I see a seam there. There's nothing there.
Maybe try to
The middle.
pull it out. I don't know.
This could be it.
There you go.
Come here, come closer. Come closer, I'm very dangerous.
Yeah.
Hey, look, I cut a flap off for you. Oh, I think you're right.
Just slide
Guess what,
it out.
Frank? I do need your help.
Slide it out. Slide it out. Hold it. Hold it.
Let's see.
Well,
Oops.
good lord. It's a lot shorter than the box is.
Oh yeah, the radio's in there. That is why.
I'm glad you're here for this, because I was kind of scared to do it. You know, it's your stuff, and I thought, if something isn't right with it, is he gonna think I did it?
Oh, your
Oh, wait a minute. I think it has a lid.
There.
It does have a lid. You know, guitar player has to be careful with how he's grabbing a hold of a razor knife.
There.
Look, another box. Come on, man. How many daggone boxes are they gonna give us?
What is that? That's probably the main.
I think this is the manual. Let me open this manual, Frank,
I don't care.
so you can get some learning.
What are we gonna do?
You want some learning?
Learn. Oh, this one.
There you go. I think there might be decals and stuff there.
Oh, gotcha. Cool.
Here. Right there.
Okay.
You're getting close. I think I need to do any more cutting.
I think that.
Oh, son of a gun. Yeah, I do. Low battery.
I think so, but I got all the switches are in the right place, or oh, okay, now they're gonna be green. Okay, I'm going the wrong way with them.
Dude, you got a toolkit with it.
Oh wow.
Look at that.
Sweet. There we go.
You got a toolkit. You got whatever the hell those are.
Oh, the little O-rings and stuff. Oh, little scale bolts and stuff, and usually some O-rings and.
Wow.
Have to
Let me set this here. Let me drop that on your foot, honey. I think it'd be funnier. You got extra hose. Look, Frank, you're hosed. They hosed you.
Boats and hose.
Yes, bolts and hose. And a really funny hat for Sunday.
Let's see.
Geez, there's more.
System. Here we go.
There's more.
Down.
Is that strap
Switch
around you?
settings.
No, you don't want to lift that.
Always save.
Hold that, sweetie.
Always save.
Are you recording?
Always
What?
save. Always save.
Should I curse a lot?
Yeah.
Holy hell, dude, this thing's heavier than I expected. Good God. Get that box out of there. This thing's heavy.
I know, it's crazy because it feels like it's heavier
Look
by
at
itself than
that.
it is in the box.
It's really heavy. Like really, really heavy. Metal. It's pretty beautiful. But that big heavy. That really big heavy.
Cool.
Yeah, you gotta
Actually
get the
put a little
strap off.
on there.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
That helped
get it out.
lift it up, but
Yeah.